Okay, here we are going to be doing some practice problems for Chapter 6, Lesson 2. So you are on page 352. We're going to jump right on in and get started right away on page 452. So take a look. It says evaluate each expression. So taking a look at this, I noticed that it is telling me what everything equals right here. M equals 4, Z equals 9, and R equals 1/6. So we're first going to rewrite the problem. 3 plus M. Okay, so now I'm going to replace my M with 4. So 3 plus 4. I'm replacing the variable with 3 plus 4. That equals 12. Again, notice my expression is getting smaller. I started here, went here, and now I have my answer right here. All right, here we go. Next one, number 2, Z minus 9. So write it Z, or minus 9. Oh my gosh, Z minus M. So Z is 9. We're going to replace the variable M with 4. And we get 9 minus 4 is 5. So our answer is 5. Next one is 12R. Remember, when we have that number and the variable together, that means we're multiplying. So 12 times R, which is 1/6. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1/6. I'm going to write this just like that, how we multiply fractions. I can cross simplify here. Yay! 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. I'm going to get my answer of 2 over 1, which is the exact same as 2. Okay, because I multiply my numerators and I multiply my denominators. So I would get 2 over 1, because 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1, which equals 2. All right, taking a look here, it looks like we're going to have multi-step problems. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right, so it looks like we have M is going to be replaced with 4. So number letter together means we multiply 4 times 4 minus 2. Parentheses don't have any. Exponents don't have any. Multiplication, division, left to right. We do. So I was going to give you the answer. 4 times 4 is 16. Drop down your minus 2. Now I just need to do 16 minus 2, which is 14. There we go. Moving on. 16R, number letter together, minus 4. So 60R minus 4. I'm going to replace the R with 1/6. So I have 60. Since I know it's a fraction, I'm going to go ahead and put that over 1 times 1/6 minus 4. So here we go. I can cross simplify right here. I'm going to, parentheses, none. Exponents, none. Multiplication, division, left to right, yes. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 60 divided by 6 is 10. So 10 times 1 is 10. And then 1 times 1 is 1. So I get 10. And I bring down the minus 4. Okay, I'm still bringing that down. 10 minus 4 is 6. Put that right there. Okay, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now we have 3R squared. 3R squared. So 3, since I know I'm multiplying by a fraction, I'm just going to go ahead and put that over 1. Times R squared. So remember, it is 1/6. I'm going to put that in parentheses, and I'm putting my square up there. Again, if I don't put that 1/6 in parentheses, I could get something that looks like this. Okay, which really looks like 12/6. It's not 12/6. If you put it in parentheses, not like that, but if you put it in parentheses, then you know your squared is on the outside, which means you're going to multiply 1/6 times 1/6 first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that over here since I'm running out of space down below. 1/6 times 1/6 is going to give me 6 times 6 is 36. So now I have 3 over 1 times 1 over 36. Can I cross simplify? Yes. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Now I'm going to multiply my numerators. I'm going to go ahead and put this equal sign over here. I'm going to multiply my numerators. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. My answer is 1/12. Can you get a fraction as an answer? Yes, you can. Right there, we just did one. Okay, so you can get an answer as a fraction. We are going to stop there because we're going to be doing a whole bunch of practice problems, I'm sure, on our notes page or together in the book tomorrow. So that is probably enough for today for your learning. You are done. Good job. Way to go, mathematicians. You rocked it.